The data bar allows you to lock in specific values for an object. The fields that are available vary depending on the active tool. For example, when using the rectangle tool, I can press the Tab key or any number key to access the data bar. As you can see, there are fields to set values such as delta x, delta y, length, and angle, but if the push-pull tool is activated, there is only an option for distance, as the previous fields do not pertain to the function of this tool. Additionally, you do not need to input values into the fields of the data bar to create objects. You can simply use the direct feedback that is provided while the object is being created. For example, if I want to make a cylinder with a radius of 3 centimeters and a height of 8 centimeters, I can use my cursor and click to set the points when the data bar displays my desired values. So far, the coordinates displayed in the data bar have been absolute coordinates, but you can also show coordinates based on a floating datum in the data bar. For example, I'll use the top right corner of this extrude as my datum point. So, press the G key to create the datum point. Now, if I press the Tab key, you can see all the X and Y fields are set to 0, meaning that all coordinates are based on my datum and not the absolute coordinates of this drawing. Now, I can create a callout that is 4 centimeters away in the X direction and 6 centimeters away in the Y direction from the base of the extrude. Once created, you can see in the Object Info palette the callout's absolute coordinates. Last, in the toolbar, you can set how the floating data bar behaves. Just select the data bar and edit options from the toolbar. Here you can set different options such as having the data bar appear only once the Tab button is pressed, or use the data bar as a fixed bar in the toolbar, or as a floating data bar. You can also set how many fields display initially in the data bar along with other settings. That's it. Remember, the data bar lets you set specific values for objects you are creating, and also gives direct values for an object as it is created. This bar can greatly improve your drafting speed, so use it to your advantage within your workflow.